everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm finally showing you guys the coupon preview of the coupons we are getting this Sunday, November 4th. We are supposed to be getting 2 Retail Me Nots and 1 Smart Source. Now, how I find it, I just go to Google and I write coupon inserts for whatever Sunday's date it is. Usually it's this website or a different website, but this is SundayCouponInserts.com. So here is what is coming out, and you guys can check these out on their website too. So here's one of the Retail Me Nots. We're getting Advil 80 count, Advil. Aussie, we're getting $2 off of 2. Dixie To-Go cups, $1. Dixie Ultra. Herbal Essence, 2 off of 2. Quaker products, $1 off of 2, which is good because I like the Quaker products. Sparkle paper towels, $1.50 off any 6-pack. Thermacare products, $2 off. Now there is a deal also on Ibotta for that. Uncle Ben's flavored grains, Vanity Fair extra absorbent napkins, and Vanity Fair any products, 50 cents. Here is the second Retail Me Not. We're getting Axe antiperspirant deodorant body spray. Caress body wash, $1 off of that. Crunchy Crock buttery sticks, 50 cents. You're going to see a lot of baking stuff on sale because, you know, Thanksgiving's right around the corner and Christmas is, and a lot of people go crazy over cooking. I wish I had that in me, but I don't. Dove Baby, Dove Dermacare, Dove Men Care Foaming Body Wash, $2 off that. Dove Men Care Degree or Axe, $3 off any 2. Endust, not really sure what that is. I probably do, but I don't. Garnier Olay Olia Hair Color, $2 off or $5 off at 2. Lipton Tea Bags, 40 cents. Love Beauty and Planet Body Lotion, $2. Where are we? I lost my spot. Noxzema Face, $1 off of that. Pond's product, $1.50. Simple Products, $2 off. St. Ives, $1 off. That's body wash, body wash. Then we got hand and body lotion, $1.50. Suave Men Care, Tresemme dry shampoo, $1. Tresemme shampoo or conditioner, $5 off any 2. And then Tresemme styling products, $2. So that is the other Retail Me Not. And here is the Smart Source. So here we got Argo cornstarch, C&H sugar. Campbell's condensed soup, 40 cents off of 4. What is that? Cesaro cheese product, not sure what that is. Colgate mouthwash, $2. That's a great coupon. Toothpaste, 50 cents. Then we got the Colgate Optic Total Advanced, all that jazz for $2. So that's been a great week to get coupons for toothpaste. Just giving you guys a heads up. Cortisone. Here we're getting CoverGirl coupons. $2. Del Monte canned vegetables, 40 cents off of 4. Dole canned pineapple, 50 cents off of 3. We got the jarred fruit of Dole, 75 cents. Dole. Dukelax, $2 off. Energizer batteries, flashlight, $1.25. I'm really hoping there's a deal on Ibotta. I really need some more flashlights. I want to give those away for Christmas. Eucerin. Looks like $3, $1, or $2. Here we got French's Crispy Fried Onions, 40 cents. Gold Bond Cracked Skin. A Golden Grain Pasta. Hall's Bag, 10 count or larger for $1.25 off of 2. Now there's also a deal on Ibotta for that. Infusium. There's not much doing off that, but there's $2 off coupons. Kaopectic, Kikkoman, I'm sorry, I can't even pronounce stuff today. Marshawan bowls, and then we got Nivea body wash. Now here's some great coupons. Oreo candy bars, 55 cents. Pert products, $2. Here we get Purina Target gift cards. Ragu, we got $1 off of 2. Revlon hair dye, $3. Rolaids bottle or tablets. So we got that. Selsun Blue. Now you guys, this is gonna be really weird, but Spam, $1 off of 2. I don't know why. I want some cauliflower casserole that my mom makes, and she puts Spam in it. It's actually pretty good. I think I've made a video too. Tylenol cold and sinus. Here's some wet ones, 50 cents, and then there's $1.50 off wet ones, which I'm hoping there are some good deals with Ibotta for that, and then Zantac. So that is what is coming out in the inserts this coming Sunday, so you guys can figure out what you want. I get about half of those coupons, but still wanted to let you guys know, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.